congratulations, Honorable Chairman, Principal of this Jamia, and respected judges, guests, teachers, and all dear fellow students. Now I want to deliver on the contribution of the Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in establishing an ideal society. Dear presence, an ideal society depends on demand of humans. Demand of humans are total four. Number one, education. Number two, security. Number three, food. And number four, residence. Number one, education. The heavens started come by word Iqra to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and education by that word. He showed the Ummah way of Siratul Mustaqim and showed also way of paradise. He teach the humans such education, which education bring out them from darkness of sin to light of knowledge. By this education, companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam changed such humans. No one wants to handle them with their security. Example, Allah said in the Holy Quran, radiyallahu anhum wa radu an. Number two, security. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam established such security. No one wants to handle them with their security. The history is evidence. Old men and women visited between the enemy from Medina to Syria and Yemen with a lot of money. No one can dare to slaughter something. Am I right? Because the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam made in his society brotherhood, so established the security. Example, Allah said in the Holy Quran, "Alif baina qulubihim." He has brought affection in their heart. Number three, food. If the human satisfaction of food, so the humans lived with happiness. Allah subhanahu said in the Holy Quran, "Yas'alunaka ma yunfiqun." They ask you what they should spend. Number four, residence. If the humans have satisfaction of food, so the humans will can live with happiness in heart. So my dear respected brothers, what was the stick of magic by the change of society? That is not the things. That is not the things. Only the Holy Quran and life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Am I right? Allah subhanahu said in the Quran, "Hudan lil muttaqin." In other version, "Laqad kana lakum fi rasulillahi uswatun hasana." You have indeed in the messenger of Allah a beautiful pattern. And Allah subhanahu said also in other version against the drinks, "Innamal khamru wal maisir."